Hi everyone, welcome to the tutorial info channel, and today we would like to demonstrate basically everything you need to know about screenshotting and screen recording on the Google Pixel 7/Google Pixel 7 Pro smartphones. So to start off, let me show how you can take a screenshot the easiest way, I would say. So to do that, you gotta simultaneously hold the side power key and volume down button, like so. As you can see, the screenshot gets taken. From here, you can tap on this pencil icon if you would like to start editing the screenshot. You can crop it, draw over it, and what's not. And once the screenshot gets saved, you'll be able to find it through the Photos app. In here, simply at this little bottom section, go for the library, and you'll find the dedicated screenshots folder. Next, the other way to take a screenshot is by opening the list of recent apps. Then choose what application you would like to take the screenshot from. So let's say I'll go with Google Chrome, and tap on the screenshot option over here, and the screenshot will be successfully taken. If you would like to make the scrolling screenshot, just open the page that you would like to use for it, then take a regular screenshot by simultaneously holding the side power key and volume down key. Then go for the capture more option over here and choose what area you would like to make a screenshot of. Then you can simply save it or edit it as well. So I'm reminding you that you can find the screenshots you have taken by opening the Google Photos app, then going for the library section at the bottom, and then opening the respective screenshots album. Finally, if you would like to record the screen, not to take a screenshot but to make a video, a screen recording, just open the notification and control center like so. Then among the shortcuts, look for the respective screen recorder, or screen record as it is precisely called over here. If you cannot find it at this little shortcut menu, just tap on the pencil, look into more shortcuts or into the shortcuts that are not currently in use. You can find them right over here, and drag it to the used functions. So let's tap on the shortcut. Prior to the screen recording start, just choose what preference you would like to use, whether you want or do not want to record audio, and once you do, which source you would like to use. So you can either go for the solely device audio, solely microphone, so you will record your voice, or any sound you have around you, or both. The same goes for the visibility for the screen touches. So if you do want them to be visible and you want to show where you tap the screen, you can switch it on fairly easily. And then once you're ready, tap on the start option, and this little countdown over here will signify that the screen recording has been successfully started. So record anything you'd like to, and then finish the screen recording by going for the notification curtain again, so by swiping downwards from the status bar. Then find the screen recording at the notifications over here, and in order to stop it, you gotta tap on the notification and go for the stop option. Wait until it gets saved, and afterwards, in order to access the video that you have just shot, enter the same Google Photos app, or is it? It should be in the movies, right? Yep, it will be in the movies folder, not the screenshot, so excuse me. And here it is. Signify that the screen recording has been successfully started. So, as you can see, great success. Alrighty, so that will be pretty much it for this video. That is, pretty much it as as it comes for the screen recording or screenshotting on your Google Pixel 7 model phone. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your attention. If you have any further questions, do not hesitate to leave them below at the comments. And bye-bye.